Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow Poke people. Renipez here. Today, I'm gonna be opening one of these tins. As you've seen, these cool tins. Oh man, this got scratched, but whatever. We have an Umbreon and a Sylveon. I thought I got the Espeon one. I guess the when I was grabbing it or buying it, I only saw it from this point of view, so I thought it was the Espeon, but I accidentally grabbed the Sylveon. It is what it is. They didn't have any Espeons when I was there, I guess. It must have been because when I looked, it looked like the Sylveon, but it wasn't. Well, further, let's jump into this. Oh, wow. It does come with 5 packs and code card and all that stuff as usual. So, pretty cool looking tin. I really do like the tin. The only differences between the tins, I think, is that they have different artwork on the lid. Let's see what we have here. We have our Espeon, or Sylveon, I mean. Sylveon promo card. Okay, there we go. Boom, pop that, and let's take a look. There's the code card there. Bam. Let's take a look at this Sylveon. Centering's alright. It's a little right, left to right thickness. Yeah, a little more thicker on this side than this side. Wow, pretty cool artwork though. Sitting there in a little meadow, I guess. A bunch of little daisies and red daisies, I guess. Purple, some red flowers. Very cool. Nice artwork. And then we have our packs here, of course. Let's see how many packs we have. We have 1 Brilliant Stars, 2 Brilliant Stars, 1 Fusion Strike, 1 Evolving Skies, and 1 Chilling Rain. What I like about this is that every single pack has the potential of pulling a alt art, I guess, what I would say. Keep that Sylveon there in the background for you, for good luck. We're going to mix these up. We're going to mix them up and see what kind of pulls we get. We're starting things off with the Chilling Rain, of course. I am missing quite a bit from Chilling Rain. I've realized I'm missing the Moltres, the Moltres V. Just the regular Moltres V would be nice to pull, but we are starting things off with the green code card. Warm things up real quick. Let's see what we get. We got a Grass Energy. We got Siebold. How do you pronounce that? We got Larion. Looks like it has some crimpage on the back or no. There's some whitening / crimpage. I don't know. We have Expedition Uniform. We got a Ralts. Got Heracross. Cast Form. Oh yeah, please drop a like. I really appreciate that. Reverse Holo Galarian Yamask. Last card is a Wheezing. That wheezing along. Alright, we have a Brilliant Stars next. So let me know what your favorite card is from this opening, and of course, if you haven't seen the video already, there's a giveaway in my last video, so go take a look at that. If you haven't taken a look, the winner will be announced on May 14th, 2022, so you have till the 13th to enter. Go ahead and check that out. That would be nice for you. If you want to win some packs, the winner will win 3 packs and a custom pack made by me. You'll also be able to choose some of the cards. We got Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, pretty cool card. Got Buizel, Gibble, Reverse Holo Turtwig. Okay, last card is an Empoleon. Okay, very cool. I don't think I have this holo yet. Pretty sweet looking card. The 3 horns that extend from its beak attest it to its power. The leader has the biggest horns. Pretty cool. I like the big glaciers in the back. Big glacier. It's breaking some ice right here. Pretty cool. Nice and neat. Going into an Evolving Skies. Oh, I love that we got some Evolving Skies in this opening. It's nice to pull some Evolving Skies. Oh, we do have a green and white code card here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we end up getting from this pack. It'll be nice to pull something nice from this set. This set is such a fun set. Alright, we have Lightning Energy, start things off. We got a Lantern, Spirit Mask, Gordy. I haven't opened Evolving Skies in a while, now that I think about it. Got Litleo, got an Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Reverse Holo Eldegoss. Last card is, ooh, Holographic Hydrogeon. One that I am missing. I don't think I have that. Not sure actually. Moving into our last 2 packs, we have a Fusion Strike, Wow, we're going through this box really fast, actually, now I'm thinking about it. Oh, here's our code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. Flip. Let's see what we have in this pack. We're starting things off with the Dark Energy. Got Power Tablet, Persian, Metapod, Dewpider, Bullaby, Choodawoodle, Phalanx, Skitty. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Rare Latios. Pretty cool. Last card is a Scorch. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with this at least. I don't know if you can get this in a holo. Can you get this in a holo? You probably can. It understands human speech and is highly intelligent. It is a tender Pokemon that dislikes fighting. Very cool. Very cool reverse holo rare there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Latios, the legendary jet Pokemon. Alright, well, let's see if we get any last pack magic from Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars, I hope you bring us some luck here. I would like to get something new to my collection from you. Oh, we got a white code card. Alright, well, still a chance to reverse holo. So let's see what we get. We got a Lightning Energy. We got Crawdont, Ultra Ball, Tropius, Cubchoo, Duskull, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Reverse Holo Alchemy. Hey, we did get something cool. Nice. We got the Heatran legendary Pokemon. Wow, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The centering's pretty off, but hey, this is new for my collection. Really happy with this. When Alchemy is content, the cream it secretes from its hands becomes sweeter and richer. Wow. Pretty cool. Interesting, huh? Looks like it's kind of like there's like little dots all over the card. Look at his leg. Got some dots there, some dots above there too. Interesting. Interesting. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it looks interesting. Like kind of dust settling down through the light. Oh man, some bad silvering here on the side. That's probably what it is. No, it just looks like it's just glitter along the card. See that border area? I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of like glitterish. Well, pretty cool. We did do pretty good actually now that I'm looking at this. We have 2 holos and 2 reverse holos that are pretty cool. And of course it came with the cool promo here, Sylveon V. Very nice. And then our rares, other rares were Weezing and Heatran. Heatran, a legendary Pokemon, I think. Boiling blood like magma circulates through its body. It makes its dwelling place in volcanic caves. Very rarely a sudden mutation can result in 2 small coughing twins becoming conjoined as a Weezing. Then we got our other reverse holos, which were Yamask and Eldegoss. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Pokemon, thank you for joining me. We're going to go over our hits one last time. Got Latios. Hydrogian. Pretty cool. I didn't read this one. The 3 heads take turns sinking their teeth into the opponent. Their attacks won't slow until their target goes down. Nice. Empoleon, I already read this one, but we got Empoleon. Then we got the Alchemy. And of course, the promo. Probably the best card we pull is probably this. And this is the best card overall. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Pokemon people, thank you for joining me. I'll see you all in the next one.